Sparkles. Behind every glamorous runway walk and glossy magazine cover lies a story most people never see. The life of popular models in the USA has always fascinated the public. From red carpets and catwalks to glossy magazines and massive Instagram followings, models are often seen as icons of beauty, style, and influence. Yet, while many admire their picture-perfect images, the reality of their day-to-day lives is far more complex, demanding, and filled with unique challenges. For beginners who are curious about the modeling world, it's important to understand both the glitz and the struggles that come with being a top model in the United States. In the USA, modeling is not just a job, it is an industry worth billions of dollars, shaping trends, advertising, and cultural perceptions of beauty. Popular models are often at the center of this fast-moving world, influencing how society views fashion, lifestyle, and even personal identity. However, what the audience sees is only a fragment of the truth. Beneath the glamour is intense discipline, constant competition, and the pressure to always maintain a flawless image. Models start their day very differently from the average person. Many follow strict fitness routines, carefully curated diets, and spend hours preparing their bodies and skin for the camera. They work with personal trainers, nutritionists, and skincare specialists to meet the industry's often demanding and sometimes unrealistic standards. Social media adds another layer, where popular models in the USA are expected to share polished content with their followers daily, further fueling the pressure to appear perfect. While it looks effortless on screen, it requires relentless effort and careful planning behind the scenes. The financial side of modeling in the USA is also very different from what outsiders may imagine. While top supermodels earn millions from global campaigns, endorsements, and runway shows, many models struggle to make consistent income. The industry is competitive, with agencies, brands, and social platforms all shaping the opportunities available. Popular models often diversify their work, moving into acting, brand collaborations, fashion entrepreneurship, or lifestyle blogging to maintain long-term financial stability. This blend of creativity and business acumen is crucial to sustaining a career in an industry known for its unpredictability. Mental health is another crucial aspect of a model's life that often gets overlooked. The constant comparisons, public scrutiny, and pressure to stay relevant can take a toll on self-esteem. Models are judged not only on their looks but also on their online presence, behavior, and ability to keep up with changing beauty standards. For many popular models in the USA, therapy, mindfulness practices, and strong support systems are vital tools for maintaining balance and well-being. The industry is slowly becoming more open about mental health, but the stigma still exists, making it a topic that needs more awareness. Relationships and personal life are also heavily impacted. With busy schedules, frequent travel, and unpredictable work hours, maintaining friendships, romantic relationships, and family connections can be difficult. Some models openly discuss the loneliness that comes with being constantly on the move or being surrounded by people who only see their image, not their personality. Others thrive on the opportunities to meet new people, explore different cultures, and use their influence for good causes. Popular models in the USA are also increasingly using their platforms for advocacy. Many speak out on issues such as body positivity, sustainability in fashion, diversity, and inclusivity. Unlike decades past, when models were seen only as faces of fashion, today's stars are also voices of change. They influence not only what people wear but also how society views beauty and self-worth. This shift is inspiring a new generation of aspiring models who want to make an impact beyond the runway. Despite the challenges, there are undeniable rewards in the modeling world. Travel opportunities, financial success, artistic expression, and the chance to work with iconic designers and photographers make it a dream career for many. The glamour is real, but it is paired with hard work, resilience, and the ability to adapt in a fast-paced environment. Popular models in the USA prove that success comes not just from appearance but also from persistence, personality, and passion. For beginners interested in this world, it's important to see the full picture. Modeling can be rewarding, but it is not an easy path. Building a career in this field requires patience, self-care, and an understanding that rejection is part of the process. Those who thrive are often the ones who combine professionalism with authenticity, learning to navigate the highs and lows of a constantly evolving industry. At its core, the life of popular models in the USA is a blend of glamour and grit. They are cultural icons, business professionals, and often role models for millions. Their journey shows that beauty is not only about appearance but also about strength, resilience, and individuality. Glowing star, if you found this article insightful, share it with friends, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more deep dives into real-life stories and social trends. Together, let's uncover the truth behind the images we see every day and celebrate the people who inspire us beyond the spotlight.